You think it's that one that ran away to go and watch cartoon? If you know you are strong, touch me.
You don't leave me now. You don't leave me now. You don't leave me now. I'll beat you. Uncle Tiki, I'll see her now. Uncle, I'll beat you. Uncle. Uncle, someone took my ball from me.
Is that why you are crying?
The person beat me.
Go inside and cry well.
The person said you are stupid and you cannot do anything.
I'm stupid?
Yes.
A home is stupid. Come and show me the person. Tennyson, come.
Yes, come.
I want to go and charge my phone. Unplug my phone.
Let's wait for Dennis. Oh yeah, come and show me the person.
Now you're talking.
Where is the person self?
It's one ordinary small auntie.
Oh, it's even a girl self. You should have told me that it's a girl now.
We'll do it today.
I'll kill somebody today.
Uncle, look at your brother here.
Your sister sounds stupid.
Uncle, beat
Your sister sounds stupid. Your sister sounds stupid. Eh? Your sister sounds stupid. Your sister.
Uncle, carry him. Let's go and beat him at home.
Yes, that's a very good idea. Let his sister come and bury him. Hey! Jesus!
So you want to be my brother? Look at this small auntie that say you are stupid.
Manela, don't you know what is small? Good morning. So you want to be my brother? No, we're just doing carry.
It's a lie, he was beating me.
Are you not my friend? Manela, tell her now. Isn't that play that I was just playing with this, my friend? Eh? Come on, come here. Come here. Auntie, good afternoon. He's my friend. He's my friend. Your brother is my friend. Oh, yeah, Auntie, punish me. Don't beat me. I will do frog jump. Oh, yeah, I will do frog jump. My brother is my classmate when I was small. Ask him. Ask him. He's my friend. He's my friend.
I'll beat. Wow, beat how.
This is fight and this is play. Choose one.
I choose fight.
Eh? What of you want to fight?
Yes.
You want to fight? You want to fight?
Let's fight.
Okay. If you don't fight today, I will give you 6 strokes of the cane.
Uncle, flog me first.
Ewo.
Eh? Thanks for watching that very funny Makecha comedy. See you next Friday. Please, I beg in the name of God, subscribe. Alright, see you next Friday. Meanwhile, 26th of this month, that is next Saturday, is Dennis in Igwe's birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Here we are, mate. This is it.
Is this the place?
Yeah, this is the address you gave me.
The place is not even far, Seth. If we had known, Seth, I would have trekked.
Trek? You think you're silly?
Oh, you how much?
Oh, $150.
$150. These people are cheap, oh.
Yeah, very cheap.
How much in Naira?
In what?
In Naira.
Yes. How much in Naira?
Naira. What's Naira?
Okay, we're from Nigeria. We use Naira.
Well, I don't take foreign money, mate. I just want Aussie dollars. 150 Aussie dollars.
No problem, no wahala.
Uncle, do you have dollar there?
Yeah, I have dollar. How much is $1 in Naira?
Such don't go.
480 naira. 480 naira times 150. Jesus. 72,000 naira.
Oh, that's a lot of money.
Yes, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, well, that's your money. It's only $150 in my money.
No, Oga, it's 72,000. 72,000.
Oga, we are not buying the car. We are not buying the car.
We are not buying your car.
I'm not selling the car.
Wait, Oga, to drive us from that place to this place, you say it's 72,000 naira.
$150, yeah. It's from there to here, a bit of sightseeing along the way. Commentary by me.
Commentary. Is it football?
No, it's not football, mate. No, I just showed you some of the sights along the way. That's all. $150.
Oibo, this is how to use to buy land in Nigeria.
Oh, we use this money to buy land in Badagry.
Yeah, but I don't want to buy land in Nigeria.
Oibo, we are not buying your car now.
Oga, we want to pay for the drive that you drive us. We don't want to buy the car. How can you tell me that it's 72? I beg you, tell me how much you are collecting. You are telling me 72,000 naira.
It's just $150.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. It's okay. Drive us back to the place that you carry us from.
But I just drove you here.
Oh, is that about who drove you? Oibo, come back, uncle. Let's go and drive you.
Oh, yeah, come, let's drive you.
Thanks for watching that very funny Mackenzie comedy. See you next Friday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I beg in the name of God, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Monday, 5th of December, Mackenzie Comedy Unscripted will be available in your local stores. In your local DVD stores, you can get them there. Please buy the original copy. Every DVD you buy will help a child go to school. Every DVD you buy is sending a child to school. Buy the original copy. If you don't see this picture on the CD jacket, don't buy. It's pirated. Buy the original copy. See you next Friday. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all that you have done for us. We love you. See you next Friday.